darlings, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Jatin Shah, and for all those who've been connected with us, thank you so much for showering so much love. So basically, Rakhi se New Year's tak ka time is our favorite time because इतने सारे festivals आते हैं and I love dressing up. I love doing the pujas. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. Diwali is the time that we mostly go to Basuda, so we get to meet a lot of people. So अभी as of now ये वाला जो vlog है वो मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ because I have ordered certain things for Navratri and obviously I don't spend too much in Navratri clothes or jewelry because eventually आप वो और कभी पूरे साल पहनते नहीं हो. बट इस बार जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया है उनमें से बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी ऐसी है जो आपके नवरात्रि ड्रेस के संग भी जाएगी, लाइक विद योर सूट्स एंड लहंगास, एंड दे विल ऑल्सो गो वेरी वेल विद योर कॉर्पोरेट वेयर लाइक योर फॉर्मल्स. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आई ऑर्डर्ड देम ऑल फ्रॉम Amazon एंड द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट जो मैंने स्पेंड किया इन शॉपिंग ऑफ दीज that I'll show you now are 299. So like 300 के सारे, I have almost 5 to 7 of these and all of them are under 300. So I'll start with the first one that I like. So this is the one that I have ordered. So this will go like a choker here. It also comes with an earring. Now when you are wearing your Navratri clothes, तब आप इसको with earrings पहन सकते हो. Otherwise if you are wearing like a nice black corporate shirt which is a little deep neck, like maybe till here, it'll look very smart even with a corporate look. This one costed me 130 rupees with the earrings. Now the second one that I ordered, this one is again like this. This also comes with earrings and this is how this looks. So this one I think corporate look में नहीं जाएगा because it has a lot of this sound जो obviously आप corporate में नहीं use कर सकते हो. But yeah, for your brunches and all, for regular use, you can definitely combine this with like a nice sling top or a dress. Now the next that I ordered is this. ये आपने already मैंने 2-3 dresses के साथ पहना हुआ है. This is how it looks. And this costed me 299. This is extremely lightweight and this will go with your Indian as well as your westerns. मैं mostly अपने corporate meetings and all के लिए, if I'm wearing a deep neck shirt, then I end up wearing this, which looks very smart. This just costed me 299 rupees. So yeah, this has come without the earring, which is absolutely okay, value for money. One of the lightest jewelry that I've ever picked up. Now again, the next one that I took is this. So yeah, again this is a choker and this will do really well with your Indian Navratri look along with your corporate look as well. This looks very smart. A lot of meetings I wear this and go with my corporate clothes. This costed me 190 rupees only. Now this has come without the earring, which I think was okay. This is not as light as the one that I showed you before, but ये भी काफी light है. So for my work, I mostly like to wear something very light because पूरे दिन भी कभी कभी पहन के you have to go to 2-3 places. So I don't like anything heavy. So this and the one that I showed you previously, they are very good for light wear. Now the next one that I loved totally is this. This comes with these घुंघरूज here and then यहाँ पर कुछ बना हुआ है and again they have like a chunk of घुंघरू. So this is how this looks. And this is also extremely light. So I feel when you जो बहुत ज़्यादा गरबा कर रहे होते हैं and they are dancing and sweating and everything, so I feel jewelry should look heavy but they should originally बहुत ज़्यादा light होनी चाहिए because they are dancing and jumping and everything. So all of these jewelries, most of them are very light. This one's also extremely light. दो ये दिखता बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है but ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा light है. This has come without the earring. Costed me 235. I am going to put the link of all that is available now. ये मैंने last month मंगाया था, but I'm sure pretty much सारे available होंगे अभी भी Amazon पे. So I'll put the link for all you guys if you want to just shop again from these. Now the next choker that I ordered is this. So this one also I will show you little how it looks. This is how it will go. And this has earrings as well. Now with the earring you can wear it for Navratri, but without the earring दिस विल ऑल्सो गो रियली वेल विथ योर, अगर आप नीचे वाला नहीं यूज करते हो देन इट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग फॉर योर सम ऑफ योर ब्रांचेस एंड ऑल ऑल्सो यू कैन वेयर इफ you have like a deep neck on boat neck and all. This looks really nice. I wore it once to one of the brunches in Pune and a lot of people asked me where you've picked it up from. Now that costed me 220 rupees only. Now the next one that I bought is this. Now this one again will look very pretty with your corporate clothes, with your formal wear. If you're going for any formal parties and all, this does really well. And along with that obviously आप Diwali पे भी ये use कर सकते हो if you're wearing a sari or like a heavy suit. This is the kind of jewelry it's come with. I like to wear jewelry that is a little heavy, but for those people who like light wear, this is a very very pretty piece. This costed me again 290 rupees only. So these were the jewelry that I had ordered. Now there are two sarees जो मैंने around I think गणपति के पहले order करी थी, and a lot of people, I wore that also, and a lot of people asked me where I picked it up from and for the links as well. उस time I kept telling them that I'm going to do a haul and I'll put the link in the description box. So finally I'm going to give the review of the two sarees that I had picked up. या आपने मुझे देखा भी होगा, I think मैंने गणपति में पहना था और एक और कभी तो भी पहना होगा मैंने. Now this one is Georgette. I ordered for the first time in my life a sari online. This one came out really well. It is shaded into green and yellow and it has these gota patti work which is very famous towards Jaipur side, like mostly Rajasthan side. ये जॉर्जेट है, बहुत लाइट वेट, इट इज वेरी लाइट वेट. आई लव्ड वेयरिंग दिस. दिस कॉस्टेड मी 999 रुपीज ओनली. नाउ ये वाला जो साड़ी है इसके संग ऑल्सो द ब्लाउज पीस केम विच वॉज अ वेरी प्रिटी ग्रीन विद अगेन गोटा पत्ती. If you all can see gota patti on the sides. Now I don't know, I think ये raw silk है, I'm not very sure about the fabric, but it's a very comfortable breathing fabric, that much I can assure you. अभी मैंने इसका ब्लाउज बनवाया नहीं है, but it looks very nice. It is going to look very nice with this. So yeah, this is the first one. I'll put the link in the description. Now the second one that I bought is this one. This is also a pretty lehariya with multiple shades in it. It is extremely lightweight. ये भी मैंने first time order किया कभी भी chiffon sarees. This is a semi chiffon and very nice fabric. Color is amazing. It hasn't faded with me washing this. The only one hitch that I felt from this vendor was that they had sent me a defected piece. So because it was online, ये क्या किया उन लोग ने, यहाँ पे थोड़ा I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इन लोग का डिफेक्ट होगा तो उसमें इन लोग ने पेपर लगा दिया and they stitched it up. So yeah, that was one thing, but I bought it because it was not very expensive and I was enjoying wearing new colors of sarees after very long. So this costed me 498. If this is not something that they would have not done, then it is a complete buy material. But because ये ऐसी चीज हो गई ना कि मतलब जहाँ पे उन्होंने जानबूझ के कोई चीज अगर थोड़ी फटी वटी आती है ना, स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड कि हो सकता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टाइम हो गया हो या कुछ उस टाइम पे यू नो द शॉपकीपर्स डिडंट चेक, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट दे डेलिबरेटली डिड, दैट इट वाज प्रोबेबली ऑनलाइन सो वी वुड नॉट रिटर्न एंड ऑल दैट. So yeah, that this vendor has beautiful stuff, very nice collection, but I would still put it in the description box only because I don't want you all to order from here, because people who deliberately cheat, I feel, are not the right people. We should shop from people who put a lot of deliberate efforts to grow, which I think ये सारे जो jewelries आप देख रहे हो, ये सारी आपने देखी, everybody is working really hard and we are also putting in our hard earned money to shop. So I am totally against people who like to cheat, but yeah, the description box link you will get of this as well. So yeah, this was pretty much it, and bus next 3 to 4 months you will see me wearing most of these and enjoying. So I hope you enjoyed this content. But ऐसा वाला content मैंने पहली बार किया on my channel. So let me know if you enjoyed and you want me to put more of these, or this wasn't something that my viewers want to see. I want to genuinely know about this. And I really hope you guys are enjoying. If you feel ये किसी को help करेगा, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to the channel. And until I see you guys again, keep shining.